Hello friends. So friends, today we will talk about the hours, minute and second functions in Excel. If you see that I have already written a time over here which is 7, 15 and 30 seconds. So how we can convert this to hour, minute and second separately, and what is the use to convert this time to hour, minute and second, we will see that later. So let us first convert this time to hour. If I want to find out the hours from a particular time, the formula that I use is HOUR, and then this is the range like this. So we have pulled out the hour from this time. Now how we can pull the minute from this time? For that we will use minute like this and this time. And now to find out the second, we will use this second formula and this reference, bracket close and enter. So in this way we can find out the hour, minute and second from a particular time. Now let us suppose we have a task wherein we have to convert a time to a second. For that we have to first find out the hour, minute and second. And now we have seen that how we can find out the hour, minute and second. So in order to convert this into second, we have to multiply this hour into 3600. Yes, in order to convert any hour value to seconds, we have to multiply it with 3600. And in order to convert any minute number to seconds, we have to multiply it with 60. So let us multiply here only is equal to this multiply 3600. So we have 25200 seconds. And let us convert this minute to second by multiplying it with 60. So we have these seconds, and now the other second we have already available is this. Now we can sum this up is equal to sum and like this, bracket close and enter. So we have converted this time to seconds, which is 26,130. Let us see, we want to create a time. So in order to create a time, we have to use this formula like is equal to time, time, and then we have to pass the hour, minute and second. Let us suppose we want to create this time only 9, 5 and 30. So to hours we will use 9 comma, for minute we will use 5, and for second we will use 30, bracket close and enter. So we have 9:05 a.m. As if now it is not displaying the seconds because we have to format this cell. So let's do that formatting part like this, and okay. So we have 9 hour, 5 minute and 30 seconds. In this way we can use the time function. Now let us use the now formula in order to create the find. So what is now function? Now is like is equal to now. If I use this now, it will display me the date and time, right? But what if I want to use this in my time function or time formula? For that, let us see is equal to time, and for r I want to use the number that is available in the now formula. So I will use the hour like this and take the now. So it will pull the hour from the current time, and for minute I will again use the now. It will again pull the minute numbers from current time, and for second similarly I will use the same function like this, bracket close and enter like this. As if now it is not displaying me the current format, so let us change the formats like this, and okay. So we have, so this is the current time of the system. I have used the time formula with now in order to create the time. Now what if I want to add certain hour, minute or seconds to a particular time? For that, let us move back to our first sheet. Now here we have already pulled out the hour, minute and second. If I want to create a time, the formula that I will use is time, and for hour I will use this, and for minute I will use this, and for second I will use again this one. So in this way I have created a time with the help of this. Let us take same format. Okay, now the requirement was to add certain hours, minutes or second. Let us suppose I want to add 2 hours. What I would do, while I was using the hour function, I'll add plus 2 like this. So it will help me to add 2 hours to this time, or I can give a reference to the cell. Let us suppose I want to give the reference, and here is the adding number, adding hour, and here I want to adding minute like this. Okay, if I want to add hour, if I want to add minute, whatever I can do it over here by giving the reference to this cell. So in order to add hour, I will use plus and give the reference of this cell, and in order to add minutes I can give the reference for this cell. I see if I use any value over here. Let us suppose I add 50 minutes. So by adding 50 minutes, the time will be shown like this. If I add 1 hour, it will show me the value like this. So these are the time formulas that we can use in our day-to-day functions. So guys, I hope you like this video. Let us meet in our next video with a new content. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy.